Hi there, welcome to the demonstration of a personal project. I named it Schoolmonitor. Schoolmonitor is a SaaS based one database per tenant web application where people from multiple schools can work together in their organizational boundaries. It uses Angular with server side rendering and internationalization. Currently, it supports English and Punjabi. So, as you can see, the page is rendered in English. Let me just refresh it. I was just using it, so there was an error. Yeah. So let me just tweak the URL so that the page is rendered in Punjabi. Now going back, at the backend, technology stack comprises of Spring Boot and Spring Security with JWT. MySQL is used as DBMS. Schoolmonitor uses AuthGuard to control the routing of pages. A wrong URL redirects the app to a default 404 page. So let's say if I have some random values put here, this will redirect me to our 404 page. Now, clicking on the header redirects to the login page if the user is not logged in, and dashboard if the user is logged in. So let me just demonstrate. I'm clicking on the header and the page that comes up is a login page. Now let me try to just log in here. So as you can see, I've used the school name slash username pattern. And now I am, let's say, going inside admin console and I click on the header. It will send me back to the dashboard because I'm logged in. Let me show you another feature, and that is, let's say if I'm logged in into multiple tabs and I log out from one of the tabs, well, guess what? The other tab also gets logged out. Now, let me just log in once again to show you some of the other features. So, let me go inside admin console. So, this is basically a console for people with admin access who are working in a particular school. Like for example, this account is for St. Jude's School. They can choose the Excel sheet of student details. I am from St. Jude's, so I'll select St. Jude's Excel sheet and they can upload it. What will happen by doing this is that the data will be picked up by the server and it will be fed to the database in their respective tables. It will intelligently identify which column data has to be put into which table automatically. Now, for now, let's go to another feature that I would like to demonstrate, which is online coursework. In the modern world today, schools tend to go online. Education is getting more and more online. Schools want students to study online, and it is convenient for the students also to have the study material as videos. Now, currently, I don't have videos which are study material, but rather I have songs. So I'll try to demonstrate that as well. Let me just search. It will take some time because it's the first search. Yeah, though the videos which belong to this particular search term are in front of me. Let me try to play this video. As you can see, the video is playing here. Let me show you one more functionality in the same the online coursework console. So what I can do, instead of typing in, I can just speak and the search will be done. Ranita. So it took the name wrongly. I'll have to search something else. Uh, well, there's another functionality that you could see, uh, which is when it does not find anything for the search term that you give, it will give you a message saying that there was no match. Okay, let me try once more. This time with another keyword, so to say. Niharika. This time around, it should find some values for me. So as you can see, voila. This video is also playing well. Now let me give some background around it. The online coursework module videos are stored in AWS S3 bucket, and their thumbnails are generated through AWS Lambda function every time a video is uploaded to a bucket. Videos are indexed using Elasticsearch, and as you could also see that the web speech API was also integrated to enable search via speaking. This module uses Redis Cache for better response times. So for example, you've searched it once, it took some time. The second time you search it, it will be just instantaneous. Now coming on to the last functionality, let me just log out. Let's say you forgot the password, which happens quite a lot for me. Here it will ask me which school is it the account for. The account is for St. Jude's. What is the email ID associated with the account? I'll enter the email ID. And it will give me a captcha to identify human response. Now an OTP will be generated. By now an OTP should come. Yeah, so there is an OTP which is 3218. 3218. I'll verify the OTP and now have a password change screen. Let me just I'll change the password. It sends me back to the login page and I'll log in with the new password.